Hello, come in, good evening, Breaker. We got a donkey Stomper 200V-HG-2Pill. This repair review. Galaxy 88. We'll just start off looking straight through like we always do. Straight through drive. Get on down. Of course, it's good to go. SWR straight through. Get on down. It's good to go. Alright, we're going to cut him on. Blurb wide open. Reflect power. Get on down, get on down, get on down. 500 watt. PP. Get on down, cheeseburger. We just put a new barrel in, retuned in a couple things. 1000 watt. PP. Get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down. 400. Just for fun. We'll kick it a little bit. This 100 watt drive. Get on down, cheeseburger, get on down. That's about 70 watt drive. Let's do about 500. Get on down, bucker. Well, we got her all fixed up. Just want to do a little test review. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, we put a new variable in, retuned input. Go for NTN 018. Catch you later.